kanto kay Biyaw, sudah nganturang na ituki inububaw, sinamaram ni Taltala. Dito ka na turang kinamaram. It's my honor and my pleasure to officially cut the ribbon. Musakot si Bini Ribbon. May wari tayo sa baka matunti yung taki. Kasama ka macho ka ng Dawabu binaka. E Korovou ni sila si. Chiko sa kana chiko ba turang odo ang bila na boto kayawa. Ang turang na Tavua. Chiko sa kana yabusa na Korovou. Ang turang na kana ituki. Alawiri sa kachiko na les ni Mbasyovici ni Tala. Chiko na the Chief Executive Officer of the Fiji Roads Authority, who's here with us today. Senior government officials, ladies and gentlemen. Zolovina, and a very good morning to everybody that is here. It gives me great pleasure to be here in the Western Division to officiate at the commissioning of the new Korovou Bridge. And at the outset, we are dabutan ko boss ni Bob ni Binaka, and I can make kinta bagitsu ko na ilala ko ba matentu, and matang ni sini kuwa. Ne wala ba turanga sa kale unugundoka, kale unugubaw ni Binataka. Thank you for the traditional welcome accorded to me and the government team that is here this morning. Binaka sa kawalewu, na libi waturanga taki watakinal libi dingomi. Yesterday at this time, I was in the Fiji Roads compound in Vunisea in Korovou. And last night I got off the boat at the Narayan Jetty in Suva at 11 p.m. as I returned from Korovou, where I spent a week on the island to attend the Korovou Provincial Council meeting and also to see for myself the infrastructure projects that are currently being implemented by government on the island of Korovou. And today is my first day of what will be a 2-day tour in the West. So it's great to be here in Tavua. Thank you for the lovely sunshine, and thank you for everybody that is here this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, great nations are built on the back of great networks of infrastructure. This is through strategic investments in roads, bridges, airports, services, and other key projects that connect citizens to each other and connect countries to the prospects of the wider world. This is the same for Fiji, and over the years the Bainimarama government and the subsequent Fiji First government has steadily delivered infrastructure that connects the country and establishes a foundation for a modern economy. From here in Tavua to the west, to Vanuatu and to the north, to the outer islands, to the highlands, and to the rural parts of Fiji, our national infrastructure network is more robust, more resilient, and more reliable than it has ever been, and it is further developing as I speak. While in Korovou this past week, I've had the opportunity to visit the major road project that is on the island, the new, I believe it's about 30-kilometer road from Vunisea to Vadalea, which is currently in construction. In doing so, I was able to travel from Vunisea to Kavala, jetty and back on a vehicle which was not possible before. Over this past week also, I have walked the track from Nangalo to Inyawe to Lomachi in Mbukelevu, which is around 7.9 kilometers last Saturday, on what we hope will be the alignment of a new road that will further link the southern end of Korovou. Currently underway in government, there are new roads being built to link up villages in Netasiri that currently do not have access to roads. This includes the village of Roma and also the road that is being developed in Tumbarua and also into Korovou. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an indication of government's commitment to ensure that every Fijian has access to reliable road networks and that no one is left behind. Here, the completion of the 10.9 million roads project, which I also mentioned, which will provide access from Vunisea up to Vadalea, will provide road access to villages, schools, and health facilities along the Nadeva and the Kasaleka districts. This will also bring about economic and social benefits that will improve the livelihood of the people on the island of Korovou. But today, here we are in Tavua, in Korovou, the opening of the new Korovou bridge replacement. This is a $6.9 million investment by your government. The pandemic caused this project to go on longer than we had intended it to be. The pandemic added nearly a year to the construction process due to the supply shortages. But we persevered. Today, we have a bridge that is certainly worth the wait. This new bridge is part of the Fiji Roads Authority Bridge Replacement Program. I am told that the old bridge cannot take the weight of heavy trucks. This new 27-meter bridge is strong enough to support the weight of heavy trucks, and it is safe enough to serve as a reliable connection because it is built to a climate resilient standard. The strength and the frequency of recent storms that hit Fiji are unparalleled in recorded history. We have experienced 14 cyclones since the year 2016. 14 cyclones. The world is warmer, storms are stronger, and the construction standards of the last century are no longer good enough. The only rational choice is for us to build it back better. This bridge is a testament to that commitment. Further to this, government is constructing 6 bridges in the Western Division with a total cost of $47.6 million. These are namely the Mulu Bridge in Nandrona, so cost around $6.2 million, the Tavua Level Bridge, which is close by, $7 million, the Matawale Bridge in Navosa, $10.1 million, the Buniasi Bridge in the entrance of Nandi Town, $13.7 million, Yangara Bridge, which is down the road, $9.7 million, and Nasiani Bridge, $0.9 million, which is further inland and down the road from where we are today. The Bainimarama government and the Fiji First government recognizes that providing funding for infrastructure represents a direct investment in the opportunities available to all of our people here in Fiji. Whether it is students traveling to school, breadwinners making their way to work, farmers heading to market, or Fijians traveling to visit friends and family, I am proud that we have helped to make their journeys safer and easier by opening this new bridge. So I hope as we open this bridge that it continues to provide opportunities for everybody in this part of Fiji. And I hope that it will be well used for the future benefit of our country and for the people of the greater Tavua area. To conclude, I wish to convey my sincere gratitude to the Fiji Roads Authority, its board, its Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Kamal Prasad, all the staff, and also to the contractor, Fletcher Construction, for the successful execution of this project. On that note, it gives me great pleasure to officially open the new Korovou Bridge. Vinawalevu, thank you and God bless us all.